Boy.
AT number 4. I'm gonna blow someone up with this. Die!
It's the second time this week. Corvette. Don't worry about it.
Wait, how do you sleep?
Chris. Oh my god.
That took too much input.
Watch out though, baby mortars, directly on the truck in, a couple minutes. My bad.
Not gonna hit us.
Last one alive wins.
Okay.
Hey, there's some oh, there's a truck,
They won't see us, don't worry.
Allah will protect us. Oh fuck. One of us has to survive.
Where's she? Oh, he's dead again. God damn it!
Well, I'll let the best man live.
Smoke inhalation is bad, but I don't have a gas mask.
Smoke inhalation. Fucking awesome.
Oh, watch out, I just threw a grenade at the ground, I think. Not my fault. Top 10 wilhelm screams.
Big ass sniper rifle. I'm gonna shoot somebody like that guy. Got me. Cigar picks you are. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Ever wonder why so many movie screams sound the same? Welcome to WatchMojo.com, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10
That was not a
Wilhelm screams.
I love this part.
For this list, we're reviewing the Wilhelm scream, an iconic soundbite that has been used in a wide variety of films and TV shows for more than half a century. We're only considering films in which the Wilhelm scream has been, well, screamed in a memorable or notable fashion.
You won't believe number 5
Arrow to the
though.
leg, the charge at Feather River.
Wilhelm! Yeah, I'll just fill my pipe!
Private Wilhelm was sitting on his horse, filling his pipe,
No,
when
Private
his
Wilhelm.
superior shouted his name. He then finds a shotgun
I can't
barrel
believe
sticking
what
out of his left
happened.
leg, which
So
immediately
sad.
triggers his yelping of the iconic scream. And it was this after Luke shoots a stormtrooper on a platform, it causes him to plummet down into
No.
a chasm's abyss.
Not the
which
stormtrooper.
drives the Wilhelm
Not
scream.
the abyss.
Film sound designer Ben Burtt edited this scream into the scene, introduced it to modern audiences, and coined the actual term.
Oh
my god, I'm out of ammo.
He basically revived the use of this sound effect in A New Hope, and it's since been heard in other George Lucas movies that he's worked on, such as the previously mentioned Raiders of the Lost Ark, and the Star Wars sequel,
shit.
Return of the Jedi, as well as many other films.
Yeah. I feel like
Do
with
you
it.
agree with our list?
I mean, I kind of agree with the list. Well,
yeah, I think so.
yeah, that's a pretty good list.
I think Stormtrooper falling down chasm really deserved number 1. Alright, this is the funniest video I've ever seen. Are you ready to hear it?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Got your nose!
Oh, what?
Look out, he's got a nose!
Oh my god.
You gotta help me, man! My time's gonna kill me!
Your fucking head fell off.
Please don't hurt me.